Well, good morning everybody, welcome to day 4. We Frenchmans track today. We came into the Archer River Roadhouse here last night. I couldn't film it because I had flat batteries, so I'll show you on the way out. Nice place to stay, nice warm showers there by the way, beautiful warm showers, hot and cold. There's a shop up the front, you can buy some beer, you can get a few basics, which is really cool. And this is the entrance where you come in, so we're just going to group up here, make sure everybody's good to go, and then head off. We're on our way. We've got a bit of a trip up the road first before we reach Frenchmans, and then we'll regroup and head in. A fair bit of roadworks going on here, putting in a major bridge because this is the original road just here, and obviously in the wet season it floods, so it really cuts off the access to the north of the Cape, so they're putting in massive infrastructure here, so obviously in the wet season they've got more access, so yeah. Righto, we just turned off the highway onto the dirt and we're going to make our transit to the Frenchmans track now. Just waiting for everybody to regroup. There you go, Sid, in front of me here. He's a legend, he's a top bloke, this fella. Bloody funny man. We've got a very similar sense of humour. The only guy I've ever known that's been bitten by a brown snake and survived. He did his time in the army and he was in the bush, he's telling us, and they were in combat mode. He sort of jumped down on his front, laid down on his front in combat mode, and he actually landed straight on top of a brown snake, and I got hold of him. He quite unwell for a while and ended up in hospital. Woke up, I think he woke up a day or two later in hospital. Didn't really sort of know what happened. So snake bite Sid, we call him now. Just pulled up for a break on a nice little spotty. Bit of a spillway going through. Just on our way to the Frenchmans. In there is a Land Cruiser, I think. Hey, Damo? That is a Land Cruiser, isn't it? Or patrol? Patrol, is it? Yeah, patrol. That won't buff out, that's for sure. It's, I'd say it's been washed off the spillway and that's where it's ended up.
It hasn't been burnt out, so it wasn't the brothers.
I don't know. Righto, we're just heading into the Frenchmans track. We've got about 11 k's to go and then we get the Pasco River, so we're going to cross that, carry the bikes over and then press on. Alright, here we go, Frenchmans track. Back into it. Pretty much like this all the way. Just got to watch out for forward drives because they're coming towards you as well, so you could get one coming at you fairly quickly, especially if you're up the front. So if you're travelling on your own, just beware of that. There's not a lot of runoff area here, as you can see. Just a nice breeze today, so it's not too hot yet. We'll certainly get a cool down the river because last time I came through it, it was about waist deep, so hence it's why you can't ride the bike through. It's very different terrain again. Stay there.
Just stay out. First, check yourself.
Your ankle? Just see if we can get the bike up, Mark. Yeah. That's it. Yep, you're right. You ready to go? That's it. Stay there, mate. Yeah. Close your eyes. That's it. That's right, yeah. Is it undone, your helmet?
No, I haven't.
You okay to take it off, Mark? Okay to take it off, Mark, you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. You haven't got any neck pain or anything?
No. I'm fine if it's the ankle. We're both just under my foot.
Yep. It's just feel better with that off, mate, that's all.
Yeah.
There you go. How's that better?
Does it feel like just like you bruised it, or does it feel worse? I feel like a bike suspension on it at 60 k's an hour. I'm still in a bit of shock at the moment, so give me another about 30 seconds.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, good, but that's different, yeah. I can move my toes. Yeah, I feel like I can move my muscle. I just know I'm going through a shock at the moment. Yeah. But it doesn't sound broken, that's what I'm worried about. No, that's what I'm hoping too. Yeah.
Good.
I'm pretty sure I'm just in shock, and I'm just hoping it's on the side. Alright. Yeah. I just went through there. See the rut, and then started to lose control. Hey? That'll do. Go for it a bit. Yep. No, that's good. Get buckles undone. Oh, can't give me.
No, you'll be right. We've all done it, mate.
But it's good memento.
Alright, let's go.
Are you going first, Jeff, or is
No, I might go behind you. Is that alright? Then you can follow me. Just in case, and then there's two of us there then. If he needs to stop or something. Righto, we've just made it to the Pascoe River. Just going to idle the bikes or roll the bikes down. And carry them across. Too deep to ride the bikes over, so we're sticks through the wheels, carry them across. Look at this machine go. He's got one bike in his back as well. Hey, he's down. This water is sensational. Righto, we just had a break. We want to, next stop will be the Wenlock. Bit of a drive-through bike wash. Had a bit of everything on this Frenchmans track. We've had a bit of red bauxite, gravel, marbly sort of stuff. We've had a bit of sand. Now we're on this hard packed sand, almost clay. And we're just going over the Pascoe River. And the next one's the Wenlock, which we'll be able to ride through that one because apparently the water level's right down now. So I'm just tagging along behind the boys here at the moment. The weather's beautiful today. It's a nice light breeze. It's probably only mid-20s at the moment. But yeah, once you get close to lunchtime, it really heats up. Around 12, 1 o'clock, you feel it. Just trying to stay out of the dust at the moment and give the bike a bit of a easier time. We don't want to fill it up with bloody dust in the airbox. Up the river crossings. What have you done, Mo?
I hit that rut as I went through the thing and it binned it on the side.
So you drowned it?
Well, it was still running. I switched it off.
Yeah.
It was on my leg. I don't think any water went in, but she's not starting, so I'm just going to leave it for
Does it crank over?
Yeah, it does. It cranks over. It might be a wet plug only.
Yeah. I'll wait till Mark gets here.
Yeah.
Got a bit of a steep pinch here. I don't know how this is going to go. It'll either be really good or it's going to end in tears, but I'll have a go.
How are you, buddy?
Send me back down.
Oh yeah, go back down. Come up the left.
Come on. Rightio, we're on a bit of harder pack stuff now. We had a few delays, got a couple of punches, the bike that wouldn't start might have got flooded. Just making up a bit of time now. Had another bit of sandy stuff. Oh, bloody made a mess of that bloody exit out of the windlock, didn't I? But anyway, you get that. Anyway, you get a pretty good idea what the Frenchmans track's like. It's a bit of everything. That bauxite, red, gravelly, marbly stuff. It's hard packed clay, sand, a few river crossings. But scenery's changing all the time. But yeah, no, really, really cool. Some good fun. You make good time. What am I doing? 70 kilometres an hour at the moment. And here we are at the end of it. So awesome. That was cool. I like that. Righto, we just pulled up at the Moreton Telegraph Station. This is our accommodation for the night. Just conquered the Frenchman's track. Had a ball. That was good. Made a mess of the exit out of the windlock. I had 2 goes at that and got it wrong both times, but get that. That's all part of the adventure. This is a real good camp spot. I like this one. It's like nice and flat, trees, bit of shelter, beautiful lawn, grass. It's not dusty. Good place to pitch a tent and have a beer or 10. Anyway, that was an awesome day. Time for a beer and a shower, probably in that order too. And tomorrow, a big one tomorrow, Telegraph track. Really looking forward to that. Another Australian iconic destination travel. Done the crib, got to do the telly and everything else in between. So, and tomorrow night we'll be up the tip. We'll be almost there. So, Loyalty Beach. All right, until tomorrow morning. Talk to you soon. Have a good night. Bye.